Unmasking Pastiche, an artistic imitation. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases and exploring the meaning and usage of the term pastiche. By the end of this video, you'll have a firm grasp on this intriguing word. Pastiche is a term that originates from the world of art, music, and literature. It refers to 1. An artistic work that is a medley of pieces taken from various sources or one that imitates the style of another artist or period. 2. A literary, musical, or artistic piece that mimics the style of someone or something else. Think of it as a kind of tribute or homage to another style, but not necessarily with the intention of parody or mockery. To better understand the term, let's delve into some examples. 1. In literature, if a contemporary writer were to write a detective story in the style of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, capturing the essence of Sherlock Holmes, it could be considered a pastiche. 2. In music, if a modern musician were to produce a song in the style of Beethoven, using similar instruments, rhythms, and harmonies, that too would be a pastiche. 3. In visual arts, an artist painting a scene reminiscent of Vincent van Gogh, with swirling starry skies and vibrant colors, is creating a pastiche of Van Gogh's iconic style. Now, let's see how you can use pastiche in everyday language. 1. The new movie is a pastiche of various classic sci-fi films. 2. Her artwork is a colorful pastiche of Picasso and Matisse. 3. The book is a delightful pastiche of 19th-century literature. So there you have it, folks. Pastiche is all about imitation, celebrating styles, and creating a blend of influences. Next time you see or hear something that reminds you strongly of another work, you can describe it as a pastiche. We hope this video clarifies this artistic term for you. Happy learning!